up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. Our studio is almost finished.
New cameras and equipment.
Will be available to use the control room again.
And investment into our students.
Developing 21st century skills.
This is exciting.
Our staff basketball game was amazing and the CMS and CHS won again.
Our middle school is back from virtual instruction and utilizing our high school and Old Questar wing. It's crowded, but we are all accommodating to make it the best we can. Let's go Cats!
At Catskill, we celebrate our veterans each year with a beautiful ceremony with performances from our band and chorus.
Mark Denkelacker, United States Army. Primarily, I served in Germany with the Bad Kiskin with the 2nd Battalion, 41st Field Artillery.
Why does Veterans Day mean to you?
It's a day that all veterans are together. We are not separated by anything because we are veterans. And we are a very large family. We have to take out and watch out for each other.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dan Chandler, United States Army.
What advice would you give a high school senior who plans on enlisting?
Make sure you join the branch you want to join and study your Constitution, know your Bill of Rights, and just make sure you protect your brother and sisters.
That's it. Thank you.
Jason Borgen. I was in the active Army, Army National Guard, and the Air National Guard.
And what advice would you give Catskill High School seniors that want to enlist?
I'll be quite honest with you, it was probably the smartest thing I ever did. Long story short, graduated here, failed out of college twice. Folks said, got to get out of the house, son, and ended up in the Army. I wouldn't be where I am today had I not joined.
I am Miss Marie Bitter. I'm one of the substitutes at Catskill, and I love all of these kids, and I think they do an amazing job with this assembly. It's been wonderful.
And what does Veterans Day mean to you?
Veterans Day is a day that we honor all of those who have given us the freedom that we enjoy. That's pretty much it.
It means us celebrating our veterans every day, not just today. We're thankful for their service and their time that they put in to keep us safe and maintain our liberties.
I think that Veterans Day is very important because America didn't come to us free, that we had plenty of veterans and present-day servicemen who are working hard to save our country and keep it free and to have a good working democracy.
Good morning, Tom Bonjo, and the interim superintendent.
And what does Veterans Day mean to you?
To me, and I'll say it in my speech today, as a former social studies teacher and son of a World War II veteran, I can't think of a day that is more special and near and dear to my heart than Veterans Day. These men and women who have served in all wars and continue to serve in peacetime have really given us our freedoms. The lives we live today, the freedoms that we enjoy are because of them. So I can't think of any better way to honor them with an assembly like this and ceremonies throughout the country celebrating our veterans and Veterans Day, it should be every day. So I encourage all young people, when you see a veteran, thank them for their service.
Thank you.
It's so important to celebrate our veterans at Catskill.
PBIS December PBIS trait is kindness. Let's nominate the student that deserves this recognition. Don't forget to give out the PBIS Orange Raffle tickets. You can give tickets out to students who are demonstrating the 3 Bs that make up PBIS: being safe, being respectful, and being responsible.
Why is it important we have a PBIS breakfast?
We try to reward the students every quarter with a different type of, activity. So we always do for the first quarter, the bagel breakfast. It promotes a positive environment for the students, and look at them. If you take a look around, they're all interacting with each other, hanging out, having a good time, and that's a good thing.
What do you like about PBIS, and why do you think we have it?
I love celebrating the great achievements of the good kids in the school. I also love coming down here for free bagels. Although I am a donut guy, to be honest, I'm not a bagel guy, but I love the idea of celebrating the good kids in our building.
All right, very nice, thank you. Have a great day.
Show your holiday cheer and join the Catskill Holiday Dress-Up Days. Today is Flannel Day for everyone wearing your favorite cozy flannel. Monday is Ugly Sweater Day. That should be fun. Tuesday is Blue and Silver Day for Hanukkah. Wednesday is Wear White, and hopefully we get some snow for the holiday. Thursday is PJ Day. Show off your appropriate holiday wear. And finally, for Friday, our half day before the holidays, is Holiday Cheer Day. Happy holidays, Catskill.
Santa's Helpers is one of the best things we do here at Catskill.
Santa's Helpers is one of the most important activities we do here at Catskill. Our student government organizes students to collect funds from our generous community to provide a holiday food basket to needy families. It's amazing how many faculty and staff support this time-honored tradition of Santa's Helpers. Students raised just over $10,000 to purchase food to be placed in baskets for families over the holiday. Families will receive the food basket as well as Price Chopper gift cards for the holidays. Santa's Helpers provides the opportunity for our students to give back to the less fortunate community in Catskill. Santa's Helpers, one of the best things we do here at Catskill.
If you're interested in attending Quest Star next year, please complete the Google form and return the attached permission slip to the guidance office no later than January 5th.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey, Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. It's been going great here with the middle schoolers. It's been awesome having them here. Everyone's doing a great job sharing all of our spaces, walking to the right, and following the rules. It's awesome to know that we can all work together as a team like true cats do. Also, the interim's going to end Friday, which is today. Make sure all the work is turned in so you can have good grades and Santa Claus can bring you something good under the tree. Next Friday, we have a half day of school before a break, and also we have a lot of festive days to dress up next week. I have a suit for every day. Can't wait for you to see them all for the holidays. That's all for today. Have a great day, week, and weekend, and of course, as always, go Cats. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah.
The class of 2024 is hosting the Harlem Wizards on January 10th at Catskill High School at 7 p.m. Doors will open at 6 p.m. Please come and support the class of 2024 and enjoy a family night of excitement.
There will be a concession stand and a Harlem merchandise table. Special ticket packets are available, including reserved, courtside plus, bench warmer.
For general tickets, see the website for premium ticket prices and packages. Students, $10 in advance, $12 at the door. Adults, $12 in advance, $15 at the door. You can also go online to purchase tickets.
Here's the Catskill Weather Report.
Today is Friday, December 16th, and there is a high of 39 and a low of 33 with a 90% chance of rain.
Saturday, December 17th, there'll be a high of 40 and a low of 27 with partly cloudy skies.
On Sunday, December 18th, there's going to be a high of 35 and a low of 23 with cloudy skies.
Make sure you get outside and shovel for those family members of yours so they don't have to.
Driving in snow is really dangerous, so be careful and be aware of the black ice, and you don't know what's happening. This is an appropriate tire for the winter months. a little jacket.
As the snow starts falling in December, snowboard and ski season's coming up. So is sledding and many other things to do with the family. Get up to the mountain and have some fun.
Here's the Catskill Sports Report with the CNC Sports team.
Welcome back, Cats Nation, to the third week of CNC Sports winter coverage. The Cats are just finishing up their second week of competition, and the Cats have a short week this week, but nonetheless, we're looking forward to seeing them in action. Now, here's Nate with the boys and girls basketball schedule.
The boys are looking to bounce back this week in their 1 week lone game. They play Chatham Tuesday at 6:30 at home. And then the girls, again, opposite of the boys, travel to Columbia County to play Chatham at 6:30. The girls look to remain their hot streak, the out-of-division matchup. Now here's Carter with boys volleyball and bowling.
All right, volleyball. The boys have 2 home games this week, one at 6:30 this Monday, and the other one coming against an out-of-conference opponent in Cobblesville, Richmondville, this Thursday at 6:30. The bowling team has 1 match this week at the Whole Bowl against Cara. Come support the team this Tuesday at 4:15. Now here's Colin with the boys wrestling.
The wrestling team has a home match this week against a conference opponent in Greenville. You can come see them wrestle at 6 o'clock this Thursday. Congratulations to Danny Forbes on winning the Mat Mania tournament, and congratulations to Cody, Greg, Marcelo, and Johnny for placing first in their respective weight class at the Ravina Round Robin tournament.
That's all for this week. Tune in next week for Cats coverage. 3, 2, 1.
Cats Nation, let's ride.
Did you hear about the ski trip?
No.
It started off fine, but it went downhill fast.
Oh my God.
You get it?
Yeah, that was...
Thanks for watching. Cats can and Cats will.